unbox my gift from my it is pupils and parents, from my pupils, but their mother is the one who will gave me. Oh, it's very hard to
May mo ba dahil nga ano dahil ha?
yeah, stapler.
At sa likod na pangbuo karang stapler.
But in school, oh, this is from Marga. Wow.
It's bag.
Wow, it's a bag. It's a sling bag. Wow, very nice, guys.
Ano may
Look at
ano
this.
dayag?
Yeah, it's a sling bag. Thanks for Marga, my pupil. My very courteous pupil. And then, this is my exchange gift. My exchange gift is from our principal. Pabunot-bunot bini. We have
Swerte ka na mo dahil.
yeah, we have a number.
You are lucky that you pick principal's gift.
Yeah. Of all the people there who joined the Christmas party and the exchange gift, I am the one who pick our the same towel. Okay, my gift also to mom is towel.
Hala.
Yeah. Yes.
Color.
Oo.
Towel also.
Yes. Towel also. We exchange. My
Towel.
exchange gift also is towel, guys. And I give my principal a towel also. But my exchange gift is a wall clock. But mom principal's exchange gift is towel. Maybe this one is also a towel. I have a lot of towel. Okay. It's a very, very big gift. It's very hard to detach the... What's happening in there?
Nag-ako.
Oh, towel also?
Wow, you have a lot of
Or
towel.
ay, ano ta si Christian yan? Nag-ano to siguro? Your video is... Okay, what's this? Oh! A pillow? It's a pillow maybe.
Nah, it's not pillow.
What is this?
I don't know. I don't know if it's a pillow.
Maybe an exercise. What is
There's a
this?
zipper. I don't know. What is that? Hala.
I don't know what's the purpose of this.
Pillow? I don't know if it's pillow.
Oh, I don't know. This one. Maybe this is a shoes, maybe.
Shoes?
Yeah. From Macy. Yes, maybe this is a shoes.
How
Like,
many?
can you please give me a knife or a nail cutter or something? I can.
Maybe ano. Bag.
Wow!
Yeah.
Havaianas!
Wow, Macy.
Very great.
It's a nice
Size
brand.
6. Yeah, it's a nice brand. Wow. This is an original.
Very durable.
Yeah.
Havaianas.
Havaianas.
Di ba mahal dun, Day?
Yes.
It's expensive, guys.
This one is, what is this? Oh, there's a chocolate, guys.
Hala.
An imported chocolate. And then, this is from Teo.
Your student, Day.
Yeah, the very generous student I have.
Wow,
Yeah.
perfume and lotion.
A perfume and lotion. Wow.
Wow, sana all.
And then, this is from my Ate Eds. My sister Eds.
Ah, so may nagtiting ka ng gift.
Yeah.
Sana all. My sister have, ano,
Uh,
Skylar, from Skylar, I think.
Skyler, yeah. We need to, oh, t-shirt. What is this?
Wow.
Wow, a t-shirt, guys.
Yeah, sana all.
Wow. T-shirt.
Ang mahilig ka sa mga makaroon man day, no?
Sino ako?
Color.
No.
Titik man eh.
And then this one is from Mommy Cereal. Mommy Cereal is my is not my parent anymore. Last year, he's my parent, but we're good friend. Even though she's her pupils, her kids is already kinder. He still consider me as his advisor, her advisor of his of her pupil. Oh, a child was inside. Nag-inalan sa Oh, I already.
Naginalit.
Nag-inalan. Oh, it's. What is this?
It's a watch?
What's this?
Nagpinuyang ako.
Wow! It's a necklace.
Oh, wow.
Necklace, guys.
Sana all. There's a necklace. Nagpinuyang ako.
A diamond. And then, this one is, I will check that this is from Arj.
Arch.
Arj. My baby boy.
The bag is very nice.
It's very tight.
Yeah. Maybe there's a treasure inside. So.
Yes. Or there's maybe a bomb. Oh my gosh.
Ano na eh?
Earl. 19 na si Earl. It's very tight. It's very hard to open, guys. Oh,
Wow.
it's also a bag.
Wow.
Wow, I have 2 bags already. Wow, my favorite color.
Sana all. Sana all there's a bag.
Another bag. I have 2 bags already from Arch and Marga. Arch
There's
and Marga. And the last one is from my the mother of teacher Shani's. My spelling is Jean. Wrong spelling, but it's okay. Teacher Jen. What's this? Ma'am si Erica. Tag-ila chika na ano, umagan. Sa likod sila ng ano. Easy, Yes. Oh, what's inside? I think it's a...
Vacuum plastic set.
Oh,
Wow!
wow! A tumbler.
There's a cup.
Oh, it's nice.
Hot and cold.
Yes. Bunga. They are rich.
Vacuum.
Yeah. Ah, this is vacuum.
Vacuum.
Vacuum plus set.
You can put now. Hot and
Vacuum
cold.
bottle. Wow. Thank you very much for this. It's nice, guys, and the cup is cute. Okay, that's all, guys, for my gift from my pupils and their parents.